shooting competition, top target, 5 rounds, no time limit. Let's see who wins. The pro versus the amateur. All right, my turn.
Your turn.
Shit. I don't even know where mine went.
That's not good.
Oh, get out of here, dude. I'm not putting this. I'm not posting this. I'm not posting this.
Let's go check the targets.
I gotta get warmed up. I gotta get warmed up.
You shooting at the top target or the bottom target?
Shit.
You shot right there, right there, right there.
All right.
Let's see my. This guy's an animal. A true animal.
That's better. That's better.
This guy's an animal. He eats raw meat.
There's yours. I got 2 here, so.
Not bad. On the right side.
Okay. Okay. That was better. Still not good. See, the Glock has a different angle. That's good. Doing some shooting out here. I have to admit, even though I don't want to, JD's a pretty good shot. It really kills me to admit that, but he is. He's sitting on the toilet
shooting situation. Someone walks into your house and you're in the bathroom. Pull your gun, eliminate the threat.